Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing yet another awesome new edge Ford Mustang. This particular example, a 2003 Saleen S281. But not just any old S281. This car has a Kenne Bell Supercharger. So 62,000 miles, and we'll take a minute or two here this morning and preview this car so that way you can understand exactly what to expect to show up at your driveway. So obviously number 298 of Saleen that year. Steve Saleen did a great job when designing these cars. You've got a performance kit, at least appearance-wise, on the exterior. Side skirts, front rear bumpers. This is such a good looking kit to me. You see the Saleen wheels here. And those are the real Saleen wheels, and you can know that by the embossing on the wheels. The body and paint on this car is extremely nice, with only a few defects, which we'll take a moment to make sure we point those out. 5-speed manual. I'm not even sure these came in an automatic, but it does have the 6-disc changer, the mock stereo system, and all of the nice Saleen touches, pedals, mats, embossed seats. Something I hadn't really noticed before as I was looking at this car as we view the back seat was this little embossing. You might call that an Easter egg. So this is a fully documented build. And after the test drive, we'll go to the office and we'll thumb through that paperwork. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe there's a dyno sheet in there as well. So everything functions, works as it should. Windows, mirrors, seats. This car is in extremely nice condition. No curb rash on any of the wheels. We'll detail those individually. There is, looks like this rear lip has been rolled. Not looks like, it has been rolled. SCT scanner or tuner. That deck lid feels like it weighs 100 pounds. Love this lip kit for the rear spoiler. It's so nice. Got Michelin tires. get to the engine in just a minute. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. Again, trying to be thorough. Saleen sticker there. Fire up here. Doesn't get your blood boiling. I know that driving it will. I want to point out how nice this panel is, this cowl panel. No cracks. Before our test drive, I just wanted to point out the one paint defect. It's right there on the hood. So it has been touched up, but it is there. So let's do this. Let's go for a ride. All right, here we are. Let's go for a ride. A nice short throw shifter here. 62,535 miles. You got boost gauge, air fuel mixture here working properly. Little Skyline GT that just came in. That'll be next. So here we are at our main dealership. 18 years I've been filming and videoing classic cars. And what a joy, what a pleasure. So we'll take it around the block and take it easy and then see what we got here. Well, that sound of that good cars for good people. So here we are in the office with an exploded view of some of the papers that accompany the purchase of this '03 Saleen Mustang. So we all like documentation and proof of which work has been completed when we buy a car, and also it helps us to troubleshoot. So that way we can understand, if we do have an issue, exactly where to go. So the nice thing about Kenne Bell Superchargers, they come with an exorbitant amount of paperwork, installation instructions, tuning tips. So it also helps us understand the performance of the engine. So here we will see not only the installation of the engine supercharger, but also that the engine has been gone through. That was 2018. So this car, based on what I'm seeing here, we have not dynoed the car, but it is a 9-pound boost intercooled kit. So 437 horsepower, which kind of agrees with my butt dyno, if I will. So we've had high horsepower cars before and didn't think it was quite 500, but I knew that it was over 400. 37-pound injectors, it is intercooled, has a BBK cold air intake. The computer has been sent out, it has been shipped. The tuner is also included, the SCT tuner. And also it's nice to see some service work, the regular maintenance on the blower itself. So this gives me, again, another level of confidence, especially after driving the car today, at how just awesome it performs and handles. No noise anywhere, plenty of power, and it's exactly what I would expect for a supercharged 2-valve motor. So this is an '09. The kit was $5,200 or so, plus installation. So again, awesome car. I hope this helps as you decide to own this '03 Saleen Mustang here at AutoWorld of Conway, where we always have good cars for good people.